12 Panini Prominence football box break. One box break from eBay. And let's show the box first. And on the back, I don't know if I put it on there, but 13297 76460. It's kind of hard to see with that Panini logo there. But sealed box, let's show you guys. Sealed box. And then teams, everyone has paid. And I think there were 6 unsold teams. So Falcons, unsold. Lions, unsold. Texans, Jaguars, New Orleans Saints, and the Jets. Some good unsold teams for some reason. Let's show you guys. So there's all the teams. Thanks to everyone who joined, and if any of you are in the Sterling break, it's at 8:30 right after, well, not right after, but after this break. And I think that's all I'll have to show, right? Yeah. Alright, let's get this thing started. So 2 autographs and 1 jersey or memorabilia card. And I think 5 base cards. This thing feels fat. Let's see. Empty, 1 pack, empty. And good luck to all. Let's get us some Christmas mojo. Alright, 2 cards off the back. We got us Kevin Cobb out of 897. Cardinals. Oh, sorry. Kevin Cobb out of 897. We got us Calvin Johnson out of 897. New England Patriots for Aaron Hernandez. Sweet, got the got the convict. Aaron Hernandez. I haven't even heard anything on him lately. Let's see, Willie Brown for the Raiders out of 897. And then why not pull a legend of Bo Jackson out of 897 as well, right? 2 legends for the Raiders back to back. And these are the hits. Oh. Out of 897, Bo Jackson. Let's see. First hit for the Rams. Isaiah Peed Field Auto. That one is... Oh, first one made. 1 of 140. Isaiah Peed. That's pretty cool. Having, as they say, an eBay 101. And that is 1 of 140, if you can see that on there. And then for, got us the Saints Willie Smith. Out of 199. And then actually not a bad auto. This one's for the Colts. Coming up. Got us a T.Y. Hilton. He's been doing good this year. Numbered 108 of 499. So congrats to the Colts on that hit. And thanks everyone who joined, and see you back for the Sterling break if you guys are in that.